In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire countertop ice maker, add water repeatedly, pump prime and sensor fix. Fix 1. Check the water level sensor and float. Ice maker use a water sensor or a float switch to monitor the water level. If the sensor is stuck, misaligned, dirt or damage can cause incorrect water level reading. You just have to troubleshoot, remove the lid and reservoir for access. Then you have to clean around the sensor area gently to ensure proper function. Check the float move freely without obstruction. Fix 2. Confirm that the reservoir lid is settled properly. Ensure the lid or seal is settled snugly to avoid false add water alert. Inspect for wrapping that may affect the seal's fit. Remove any debris that could prevent a tight seal. Fix 3. Clean and flush the unit. First of all, you have to check any mineral buildup or debris can block the sensor for water intake. You just have to empty the reservoir and you have to clean the unit with using a warm water and a soft brush. Then you have to refill this reservoir and test the unit again. Then you have to drain and briefly flipping the unit upside down for cleaning any trapped or debris. Step 4. Reset the ice maker. First of all, you have to press the power button for 10 seconds. Then you have to unplug the unit after holding the power button. Then leave it for few minutes. Some users suggest several hours for better result. Then you have to plug the unit back in and attempt to power it on again. Fix 5. Listen for pump. Water pump should be activated when the cycle starts. An absence of pump sound may indicate a failure. A failing pump can cause the unit detect no water. A common hardware issue include a fault pump or water level switch. So this will all help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.